My name is Adam Erhart and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. On today's episode, I'll share with you the most expensive advice you'll ever receive. Clock is ticking. Do you have a friend who's really out of shape and yet is the first one to offer health advice or any tips on nutrition or exercise? Or do you have a family member who's never left the state and yet is the first person to weigh in on any international affairs or foreign policy topics? Or do you have a broke friend who's always the first one to pipe in with the latest investing strategy or anything like that? Bitcoin, anyone? Well, I know I do. In fact, I remember clearly, just like it was yesterday, a debate I had with my roommate's friend way back in college about a guitar playing technique. And here's the thing, the guy didn't even play guitar. But the point of this episode is not to talk about which guitar technique is better than the other. Rather, it's to bring to light the dangerous and often accepted policy of just accepting other people's advice and taking it at face value, especially when they are in no position whatsoever to offer advice on the topic they're talking about. And yet it happens all the time. It happens in health, it happens in politics, and it happens in marketing, which is incredibly dangerous because people's businesses and livelihoods are at stake. And in today's day and age, with the barriers to entry so low and anybody with a Facebook page able to get out there and start ruining people's businesses as a so-called expert or self-proclaimed guru, the stakes are higher than they've ever been before. So what is the most expensive advice you'll ever receive? Well, it's bad advice, because bad advice will not only ruin you in the short term, it'll also set you up strategically for failure in the long term, which may damage your business, may damage your reputation, and will certainly damage the ability to grow the business that you truly want to build. So my advice is this: be very careful about who you listen to. Guard your ears, protect what you read, question everything, and if you get that bad feeling in your gut, run.